Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the content results of the revolt. Results of the revolt. Okay. The rule of the East India Company ended with the Queen Victoria Proclamation of November 1st, 1858. Okay. It means कि when revolt was crushed by the East India Company, British East India Company, after that the control of India direct in the hand of British Parliament, and this take the whole control of India in the hands of the taken by British Parliament. Okay, now East India Company was ended here. She in Queen Victoria proclamation होता घोषणा पत्र कि read by Lord Canning. Earlier you read in the causes Lord Canning, Governor General of India. Lord Canning read the proclamation of Queen Victoria. She assumed the title of Empress of India. British Crown took over the administration of India, whole administration taken by British Parliament. Now there will be no role of British East India Company, and Secretary of State was appointed by the British Parliament to look after the governance of India with the help of Council, and given the title of Governor General was given the title of Viceroy, the representative of British Crown, and Governor General was appointed by British Parliament. Okay, and what name given to Viceroy, the representative of British Crown. The British recognized the army to prevent any future. No, they are going to prepare they are going to make a strategy how we will crush the revolt if any revolt will be happened in future. Okay, what policies they are going to meet at, what strategy they are going to meet at, later on we will read about that. The policy of ruthless conquest and annexation of Indian territory was given up. No, they decided if someone take the adopt any son they can, and we are not going to take any Indian territory. Okay, we are not make any system and any alliance to take the territory of Indian rulers. The Indian princes were given the assures that state will not would not be annexed and were granted the right of adoption. Mean कि they can adopt any child. We will not interfere in your personal matter. And full religious freedom was also granted to Indians. Okay, कि high post would be given to the spy of India. Earlier they were discriminated by the East India Company. Now they said that we will give the high post to you also. If Indian soldiers are working, we will working in with us, then we will give the high post to them also. And by the end of 1859, British authority in India was fully re-established. Now they have the full control on India. But the revolt proved to be the first great struggle for freedom. But this revolt proved that this one is the first struggle for freedom. No, so many revolts, little bit revolts always created to the British government. It became a, and by that people also learn about the lesson that if someone is coming in our country, they are going to rule on us. No, we can raise the voice against them. Okay, up to here you read and make the question from it. Okay, thank you.